Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change sentence text to lowercase in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my documents. Now I change sentence text to lowercase. Now you can see here are my sentence text. Now I make it to lowercase. At first I have to select this text. Then go to type option and you can see here are change case option. Now I make it lowercase. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I change text to lowercase in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.